Every minute of delayed emergency response can mean greater losses across Nigeria and Africa as a whole. Security teams still rely on phone calls, WhatsApp, paper logs, and fragmented data to make decisions. This fragmentation leads to slow dispatch, poor coordination, and limited situational awareness during critical incidents. Project /50 by Lemtik Security is an AI-powered C5 security operations platform that unifies incident reporting, patrol monitoring, intelligence gathering, personnel, and command operations into one real-time dashboard, helping organizations reduce response time by over 50%. With Project /50, operators can detect incidents, dispatch responders, monitor patrols, coordinate operations, and detect patterns from a single platform. With Team Lemtik Security building technology that makes communities safer through faster, smarter security operations. Welcome to our command center, our command dashboard. So far here this is Lemtik command dashboard managed by the security manager or the operator. So here we have KPIs listing all systems, major systems, and incidents and the operational picture. We have quite a number of tabs here. This is the maps with pinpointing locations of different areas that have been logged. We have the incidents place where you log incidents and the AI give you response, and you can accept that. And among others, we have the inventory here. This is the inventory, the likes. So over here is the officers PWA, where once the officers has been contacted here, this is where they see it on their progressive application on their devices. So this is this is his shift, and they can see their patrol shift to the where they've been dispatched to, among others. They can also report incidents and check in, and then also send an SOS distress signal. Thank you very much.